You're scrolling TikTok for free, while someone else is earning $1,000 a day with the exact same app. No dancing, no fame, no face, just strategy. Let me break it down step by step. TikTok is no longer just a dancing app. It's a money machine if you use it right. Whether you're broke, anonymous, or camera shy, you can still turn content into cash. And today, I'm giving you the exact 7-step blueprint used by faceless creators to build $1K businesses from a phone and an internet connection. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Most people fail here. They go broad. You need to go deep. Here's how to pick a niche that prints money. 1. Search TikTok for finance tips, AI tools, Amazon finds, daily habits. Look for accounts with 10K, 100K followers getting 100K views. 2. Pick a niche that solves a pain. Money, time, looks. Can be tied to a product or affiliate offer. Has repeatable content formats, routines, lists, reviews. Example. 1. Niche. AI tools for creators. 2. Monetization. Affiliate link to Jasper AI, Pictory, Notion templates. Step 2. Create video concepts fast. Here's the $0 content machine that replaces a full team. Give me 10 viral TikTok scripts for niche with hook, CTA, and pain point. Use ElevenLas.io to create a natural-sounding AI voice. Use stock clips from Pexels and in-video B-roll of laptops, coffee, stats, etc. Use CapCut or Canva to stitch it together. Add bold text overlays and sound effects. Example. Output. Step 3. Build a $7 product or use affiliate links. Here's where the money kicks in. Option 1. Affiliate link funnel. 1. Use your TikTok bio link to drive to Amazon, ClickBank, Gumroad with other people's products. 2. You earn 10 to 50% commission per sale. Option 2. Your digital product. 1. Create a Notion, template, budget tracker, AI tool, cheat sheet. 2. Upload it to Gumroad. 3. Sell it for 7 to 15. 4. Link it in your TikTok bio. 5. Every 1K views equals potential $50, $300 in sales. Example. Step 4. Post daily. The viral compound effect. TikTok doesn't reward perfection. It rewards volume plus hooks. Post daily. Use this format. 1. Hook. First 1 second. You're wasting money doing this. 2. Value. 5 to 15 sec. Here's how I fixed it. 3. CTA. Final 5 sec. Link in bio to get the tool. Tip. Use trending audio underneath your voice for more reach. Schedule. 1. 1 post per day. 2. 7 days or 7 reps. 3. 30 days is 30 chances to go viral. Step 5. Use trends plus SEO. Your videos should rank, not just go viral. Use TikTok SEO in your captions. 1. How to make $100 a day. 2. Best AI tools 2025. 3. Make money online from phone and combine it with 1. Trending audios. 2. Hashtags like #money mindset, #digital income, #wealth hack. This puts your content in front of the exact people searching for it. Step 6. Build authority through commenting. Want fast traction? Be visible. Spend 10 minutes a day. 1. Commenting on other viral videos in your niche. 2. Answering questions. 3. Dropping your value without spamming. This builds trust and pulls people to your profile and into your funnel. Step 7. Scale with templates plus automation. Once one video hits 10K plus views, make 10 more with the same structure. 1. Save your best performing scripts. 2. Use ChatGPT to spin variations. 3. Automate captions, posting, and replies using tools like Metricool or Later. This is how you turn one successful post into a $1,000 day flywheel. Most people scroll. You build. Most people consume. You earn. The only difference between broke creators and rich ones? Execution. Pick one of these steps, do it today, and don't stop for 30 days. Your $1,000 day system starts with one video. CTA. 1. Download my free TikTok funnel template, link in bio. 2. Subscribe for weekly no BS money playbooks. 3. Comment TikTok money.